Destructor in C++. A destructor is a special member function that is called implicitly when an object is destroyed. Every class has one destructor. If you do not explicitly define a destructor in your class, the compiler will define an empty destructor for you. The destructor takes its name from the class itself and prefixes the name with the tilde symbol. A destructor does not have any parameters, return type, and return value. Now, when it comes to destructors, there are some things you have to keep in mind. A destructor is called automatically when that object is being destroyed. You also cannot call a destructor explicitly. You cannot do something like the object name dot the name of the destructor. So here we have a student class with 2 private data members, and we also have some public get and set methods. We also have a void display method, and we have a constructor for the class. Now, a constructor is called when you create an object. Now, the constructor will be called before calling any of those member functions in your class. So let us create a destructor using the tilde symbol and the name of your class. So the name of our class is called student. So the destructor have to be the same name as your class. And then you have your open and closing braces, and we also have our open and closing parentheses. So let me create a simple cout statement in the destructor so you can see when the destructor is called and when the constructor is called. So let's put a simple cout statement, and instead of the cout statement, we will just state it's coming from the destructor and line. Let us build and run the program. So if you look at the debug console, you would see that the constructor was called first. That's why it printed the cout statement coming from the constructor. Then it will print the age, the student number, and the last thing it will do, it will go into the destructor, and then it will print coming from the destructor.